So what I have with me here is the 4-ounce tube of the Colgate Cinnamint Sparkling White Toothpaste. I really like this toothpaste, and honestly, when I first got it, I didn't think I would. I actually got this from a friend, and they gave it to me because, they were kind of just giving away some stuff, and they gave it to me. And I was very hesitant to use it because I'm not a big fan of cinnamon. I'm usually more of like a mint, just like the regular toothpaste kind of girl. This is also the gel one. And I like the paste more, like the one that's not really like the see-through one. I like the paste. And I started using it and I was very surprised because it tasted very similar just to the regular mint one. And I really enjoy using this product because obviously it keeps my teeth very clean, toothpaste and stuff like that. But I think Colgate is one of the best toothpaste products because it really does its job of keeping your teeth very, very white. Like, I use this toothpaste, and if I wanted to, I could honestly go like 2 days without brushing my teeth. Not that I do that, but like I could go like 2 days without brushing my teeth, and my teeth will pretty much still be clean. Honestly, like there will be no plaque buildup. They will stay pretty much how they were when I first brushed them. I think the ingredients are fine. Like, I've had no bad experiences where like anything has made like my mouth hurt or tingle. It just kind of feels like whenever you brush your teeth, like if you were to just go to like a regular dentist appointment or something like that. I've had this tube for about 5 months, I believe, and I use it every day and every night. And another thing that I like about Colgate is that you don't need a lot of toothpaste, because I know in general you are not supposed to use a lot of toothpaste just because you don't need to use that much. It should be like the size of, honestly, like a pea or something like that is usually what I've been told. But with this one, I really don't need a lot. Like, a little goes such a long way, and I really like that because it still keeps my teeth clean, but I can have this same toothpaste probably for another 5 months. And I've let friends use this toothpaste, so I'm not the only one that has used it, and it still has lasted me a very long time. Like I said, my friends have used this toothpaste, and they also really like the flavor of it. They are like, wow, I've never tasted anything like this. Like, it's not a bad taste. It actually tastes really good. Not that we eat it or anything like that, but like, it doesn't have a weird flavor that you think like a cinnamon and mint like combo would have. It's a very fine flavor. Like, it doesn't burn. It doesn't smell weird. It tastes like normal toothpaste with brushing your teeth. Like, it doesn't leave anything in your mouth that doesn't make you feel like you didn't brush your teeth. Like, the mint or the cinnamon flavor is very like subtle, so it doesn't feel like, oh, I just brushed my teeth with cinnamon and now I have cinnamon in my mouth. No, it's literally pretty much mostly mint, and the cinnamon is just kind of like a hint of it to where you know it's there, but it's not overwhelming, and also like you haven't had anything to brush your teeth. Another thing that I like about this is it doesn't leave any plaque, any residue. It leaves your teeth clean for a very extended amount of time. I really like this product. It also, I just really like how it keeps my teeth clean for like anything that I do. I use it, and I've seen such a difference in me using other toothpaste products. This one keeps my teeth very, very, like, it keeps it a lot whiter. Like, I've seen an improvement from me using other toothpaste products that just kind of clean them versus this one that's like made my teeth brighter and whiter and made me look like I don't eat like butter or something like that every day. So this is a good product to use when if you like flavored toothpaste. I'm not like I said, I'm not a big fan of flavored toothpaste, but this one is actually really good, and it's mostly the mint flavor, and I really enjoy that because it's still the hint of the cinnamon, but it doesn't taste like cinnamon, because also cinnamon, if most people don't know, is a very bitter taste. So, but I do really like this. It says the little sparkling white there, and it does keep your teeth a lot whiter than a lot of normal toothpastes would. But yeah, Colgate is just one of those very good brands of toothpaste to use that most people probably use, honestly, and it's not expensive. This, although it was a gift, she said it wasn't expensive because, I don't like taking things from my friends, but she said it's okay, it wasn't expensive. It's also a smaller tube, so it wasn't something that she felt like she was giving up for $8. So she really wasn't bothered about giving me this at all. It was a very inexpensive product, and I really enjoy using it. It's one of probably the best toothpastes that I've ever used, besides the Colgate, just the regular mint flavored Colgates. But this is the Cinnamint Gel White Sparkling Colgate toothpaste.